everybody, my name is Pavleen Gujral and I'm here to take you through a tour of my closet. So let's begin. First things first. So I'm going to show you my western outfits first, and one whole closet is dedicated to my western outfits. Obviously because you wear more of these, आप लोग ये ज़्यादा पहनते हैं. So these are my babies, these are my cute things. I rely on them heavily, and on the top I have my bags, and at the bottom I have some more bags. And those are shoes that I'm going to show you later. So I picked out certain pieces that are my favorite right now, and because I stay in Delhi, so you know, winter summer wardrobe, there's a tremendous difference. So abhi summer wardrobe out hai, so mere jo amazing jackets hai wo main nahi dikha sakti. So okay, let me start with, yeah, this is a lovely dress that I wear a lot. This is a Lekone Hemant. They are my friends and they are wonderful designers, so I have a lot of stuff by them. Then I have this cute little dress. I wear a lot of dresses. So this off-shoulder thing, and it looks super cute. This is, I order online quite a bit. So that's an online buy. Then, yeah, okay. So these are my work dresses. Like when I host events and I go for events. So this is the kind of stuff that I usually wear. I like to keep it sporty and chic. That's kind of my style. And I keep the colors also very basic. Like I'm not really a color kind of person. Maximum things in my wardrobe would be like black, grey, white, max. If you see color, then that's great. Then of course I love my shirts also. So this is a very interesting shirt, and the back is the best. So you know, it opens up like that. So you gotta be a little careful. So this looks really nice. Again, it's white. And oh yeah, this is one of my favorite t-shirts. I absolutely love it. You know, every time I've worn it, I've gotten compliments. And I got it from like a thrift store. Can't imagine how cheap it is, but it looks amazing. Then, actually this, okay, you've got to know about this. So this looks like the most plainest and the simplest denim shirt, but turn it over. How fun is that? And it looks so good. So this is also an online buy, or I think I went on a chutti and bought it. So that's there. Then this is an amazing dress also. So I wear a lot of dresses. Oh yeah, so there's finally some color in my wardrobe. See. So if I go color, I go like full color. There'll be like all the colors of the rainbow in it. So yeah, that's one of these. Then I do a lot of silver also. Like this is a new buy. I recently bought this beautiful golden dress from Ritu Kumar, which I love, and I love wearing it. So yeah, that is a recent buy that I did. Then, so I get a lot of gifts also from, so this is an amazing crop top that I got from Bajor, and I've worn this quite a lot. So thank you, Bajor. So I absolutely love this. So moving on, I have to show you one of my favorite pieces of clothing in my closet right now is this really cool Param Sahib shirt. It's a really cool shirt and I absolutely love it. I love how funky it is, and I love all the stuff that is on it. It's got one of my favorite shows. There's fries and everything. So yeah, either I'm really quirky in my sense of dressing, or I'm absolutely plain Jane. So those are two extremes depending on my mood. And this is also a recent buy of mine. I bought this from Goa. So I go to Goa quite often. So I got this from there. It's a really beautiful dress. It looks amazing and it fits you perfectly. So I've got that, and yeah, then the rest of it is mostly dresses and tops, and I do a lot of shirts. I'm not really a t-shirt kind of person. I do a lot of shirts. So there are lots of shirts there, and there are lots of skirts. So yeah, this is like my haven, which saves me when, you know, I really need to look good and get dressed. And yeah, these are, you know how they say clothes are an extension of you. So you can really tell the personality of a person by looking at their clothes. So you could tell that my personality is mostly grey and black and white. No, I'm just joking. I just like the colors. I like muted tones. So there you go, guys. That was my western wear. Hope you liked it. So moving on. Alright, so this is my Indian closet. Actually, there's a lot of stuff in here as well. As you can see, my makeup is all here. So because I don't wear a lot of Indian clothes, so ये इसकी जगह थोड़ी कम है. But एक चीज जो I want to show you guys is I wear a lot of sarees, और मैं बहुत सारे I try and you know, invest in blouses. So I have a lot of beautiful blouses one thing in Indian clothes. So this is a lovely blouse that I have that goes with everything. Then I have a lovely halter blouse. And so Indian wear it's mostly like blouses that I have. Otherwise I have like regular suits and stuff like that. But it's mostly like shadi wadi pe hi pehante hain. So yeah, my Indian wear is pretty basic and wear it when needed. So I'm gonna show you my shoe drawer. Now there are 3 of them, but I'm gonna show you the one which is the most organized right now. So I'm a complete sneaker person. So I've got lots of amazing sneakers, like these are Air Jordans that I absolutely love and I wear them quite a bit. But yeah, like considering that I don't do a lot of color, if I'm wearing these then I try to keep everything either black or white. But I love them, they're so nice. Then I've got these Nikes. Okay. So yeah, this is one of my favorite pair as well. Then I've got these Puma Fenties, which are also, you can tell that I've worn that quite a bit because white sneaker hai, sab cheez ke saath chalta hai. It's in vogue and you could wear it with a dress or jeans or whatever. Then I've got these really nice Converse shoes, and I've done it up with some cool laces. So yeah, as you can see. So I'm a very boot and sneaker kind of person. I do a lot of boots and sneakers. I don't do a lot of heels because fortunately I'm very tall, so I don't need them, thank God. Otherwise they really give me a headache. So yeah, these are my shoe store. And as you can see a lot of these things also behind my back. So this is from all the film festivals that my movies have been to, my short films have been to. So yeah, it's nice to have them around. And the one thing that I wanted to show you was that I've got these bags. So the thing is, if your work goes to a film festival, they give you a bag with all the info. So I have all of them just hanging in my closet. This is Mommy, this is Iffy, there's Tiff somewhere over there. So yeah, so my closet is like it's like my own personal space. It speaks a lot about myself, and I actually treasure my closet space quite a bit. So yes, that is all about my closet. Thank you for joining me.